So, just how easy is it to build a random wire antenna? Check it out. Okay, W6RIP, we're heading up in the clouds to build a 80-meter random wire with a 9-to-1 balun that I got from my buddy Johnny. And I want to build an 80-meter wire basically so I can take it up to mountaintops overnight and be able to get out on a good band for the evening and have some fun with playing radio in the tent overnight on a mountaintop. Well, we got snow. I'm not going to go too far out. I'm going to go like right here. Four-wheel drive. Got chains if I need them, but I think we're going to need them. Okay, we're at East Flats Campground. Pretty freaking amazing, nice white snow. And anyways, we're just gonna take this 100-foot 24-gauge speaker wire. Yeah, I can split it. Got two. Anyways, we're just gonna string it up in one of these trees and put it on the meter. So here is the 9-to-1 matchbox undone, and I got it all strung out now. I cut it to 85 feet and then flipped it over on its end about a foot with an insulator and insulator, whatever. Kind of just hooked it up like this, fashion it. So I got it hooked up to this rod, hooked it up there in the tree. I want it up there so I can pull it down real easy, trim it, and then hook it back up. I won't be farting around trying to telescope it up, telescope it down, blah blah blah. Now I can just go over there, grab it out of the tree and lay it down. Okay, so I have the wire strung up into the tree over there, sloping. I have my coax right here, and I am a lucky duck. Look at that, 2-to-1. If I lay the coax on the ground, like it will be with my KX2, 1.5-to-1 on 3.928. Oh my gosh, I just got lucky, I tell you. Alright, so I'm not gonna have to trim anything. So this is, I just went off the 85 feet, folded it back about a foot, put it in the isolator, hung it up in a tree. So, and that's getting the obviously the links off the internet. I think the next step down from 84 feet would be, I think, like 75 feet, 74 feet, something like that. But here, you know, you can't get much better than that. So that 9-to-1 is working perfect. Random wire. This is my coax. If I take this up off the ground, I'm at a 2.3, 2.4. Let's see what we can get with the other frequencies. So let's go back. Let's set frequency We'll go to 07225. 7 show SWR. 3.2 on, so 3.5 on 40. Not a bad thing to tune. Should be fine. Now let's look at 20 meters. So frequency, let's go to 14.340. That's where I like to operate, mostly up in the top. And then let's SWR. We're at a 1.6. Oh, yep, 1.4, 1.3. Lay it all the way down. 1.5 on 20 meters. So that's how easy it is to set up a random. Get a 9-to-1, put it up in a tree. I mean, it's literally, I should be able to find this on most mountaintops, a tree, and then run this off a trekking pole. And, you know, I could always run some wire, some rope up in the middle to a tree that's closer to, you know, get it up off the ground. But, wow, that's amazing. Enter 7 2.0 to 1. Okay, and let's look at 17 meters. 18.105. 18.105. 7. 1.5 to 1. Wow, this is freaking rad. Alright, let's look at 12 meters. 12.925. Okay, back. Okay, 12.925. Is that right? Yeah. Yeah. Oh no, what am I doing? Not 12. Durka Durka. So 24.925. 24.925. Alright, got a 2.4 to 1 on 12 meters. 10 meters. 28.8. 28.8. 8. 2.5. 2.6 to 1. So here you go. Oh, random wire, 9-to-1, all bands, super lightweight, 24 gauge speaker wire up in a tree. I mean, up on a mountaintop, this is gonna be rad. I mean, it probably won't do much here. I'm kind of in the mountains, kind of surrounded by hills. But yeah. One to one. Oops. Three 928. 1 to 1. I heard a little slight Get out of the way. Let's go to 7, 2, 2, 5. Get out of data mode. And noisy on 40. So 3 to 1 down to that. Okay, so we're headed out of here, and then, come on dipshits. If you're gonna come out here and play in the snow, pick up your frickin' mess. Come on. Don't be an asshole. You fucking brought it here. Take it home. It's not hard. Right, headed out of here. Headed out East Flats. Had a little bit of fun playing with the new traction mats that I got from Amazon. Simulated stopping, getting stuck in the snow in two-wheel drive, and threw them down under there. Just play with them, see how they work. They're not that great. I don't know. Obviously, having four-wheel drive when you come out in the wilderness is the optimal thing, but you got guys like that guy. Can't see him, but he's got a Honda. But he's got a roof rack on it. That's cool. Anyways, gotta do what you gotta do. But yeah. So random wire with a 9 to 1, easy. I mean, way easier than I thought it was gonna be. I cut it, took a 100-foot wire, cut it back 15 feet, folded it about a foot on itself, maybe a little, freaking guessed, and had a 1.5 to 1 SWR on 80 meters and 20 meters. 40 wasn't so optimal, 3.5, but still totally doable as far as a random wire, 3.5 to 1. Tune it up real quick, ready to go. So that's going to be my setup on a mountaintop. I still have yet to go out and test it out and see how it does, but I'm sure it'll do just fine. And gotta go hook that up one night on a mountaintop in the tent, rolling QRP, 80 meters at night. It's gonna be fun. It'll be real fun. So, anyways, hope you liked the video. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get up my subscribers, and I'm doing a giveaway, a nice giveaway coming up. I'll be announcing it on Twitter and then in another video. And just to give you a hint of what it is my most asked about piece of gear. What is this? What is that? What is this? What is this? What is this? Anyways, that is what I'm giving away. So you might know what that is by that clue, but anyways, it's a nice piece of gear, especially for mountaintop and QRP. Very ultra lightweight. It's gonna be pretty sick. So it's coming in the mail. I'll probably get it next week, and then I will make the announcement and do a video. Okay, like I said, please subscribe, check it out. There's going to be a lot more things coming out this year, more mountaintops, but a lot more teaching stuff, kind of like that. It was not really teaching. I mean, how easy was that? But just getting out and getting out in the wilderness and making your antenna. Pretty cool. So I'm babbling. Babel City, Babylon, the city of Babel, babbling. Anyways, peace out.